Fairhope, Maryland, Vimanet, Foley, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Robertsville, Bayou La Factory, Creola, Point Clear, Loxley, Chunchula, Stockton, and Magnolia Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central and Southwestern Alabama and Northwestern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the from Boothville to southwest passes the Mississippi River out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Lake Forty, Mississippi Sound until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 31. Time for southeastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning.
Hey!
12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Following weather reports were Regional Airport. Thunderstorm was reported, reducing the visibility to 1 mile. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point was 68, and the relative humidity was 93%. The wind was southwest at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 39. The pressure was 29.72 inches and rising. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.02 inches. Downtown Mobile, at Brookley Field, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point was 68, and the relative humidity was 87%. The wind was southeast at 38 miles an hour, gusting to 51. The pressure was 29.66 inches and falling. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.54 inches. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Gale warning has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, and Mississippi Sound, Alabama. Gale warning has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area. Gale warning has been extended until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Coastal and Mobile Coastal. Gale warning has been extended until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, out 20 nautical miles. A special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, out 20 nautical miles. A flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Mississippi. A special marine warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and Perdido Bay Area. A tornado warning remains in effect until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile. A flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Mobile, Alabama, and George, Mississippi. A flood watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central, Baldwin Coastal, Baldwin Inland, Mobile Central, Mobile Coastal and Mobile Inland, and in Mississippi. George, Tornado Watch number 102 has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay Area, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Tornado Watch number 101 remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, out 20 nautical miles. The coastal flood advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central and Mobile Central. Wind advisory has been extended until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following areas: in Mississippi, Northern Jackson and Southern Jackson. Wind advisory has been extended until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central, Baldwin Coastal, Baldwin Inland, Mobile Central, Mobile Coastal and Mobile Inland, and in Mississippi. George, a flood advisory has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: George, Mississippi. Recurrent risk has been extended until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Coastal and Mobile Coastal. This is station KUC 61 from Mobile, Alabama. We broadcast on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from the Mobile, Pensacola National Weather Service. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? 6 to 8 leaks to. When? From late Thursday night until further notice. Additional details at 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday to see 4.2 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage early Friday morning and continue rising to 24.0 feet early Monday afternoon. Additional changes are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Perdido River near Barlow Park. When? From Thursday evening into early Friday morning. Impacts at 13.0 feet. River begins to leave its banks at the parking lot of Adventures Perdido River. Begins to threaten several permanently parked travel trailers. Water approaches roadway of Arenal Park Bridge. Additional details. At 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 1.5 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 13.0 feet tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/flood. The following weather reports were made at noon. Mobile Regional Airport, a thunderstorm was reported, reducing the visibility to 1 mile. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point was 68, and relative humidity was 93%. The wind was southwest at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 39. The pressure was 29.72 inches and rising. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.02 inches. Downtown Mobile, at Berkeley Field, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point was 68, and the relative humidity was 87%. The wind was southeast at 38 miles an hour, gusting to 51. The pressure was 29.66 inches and falling. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.54 inches. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Gale warning has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, and Mississippi Sound, Alabama. Gale warning has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area. Gale warning has been extended until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. A high surf warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Coastal and Mobile Coastal. Gale warning has been extended until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Additional marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. A flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Mississippi. A special marine warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and Perdido Bay Area. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile. A flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Mobile, Alabama, and George, Mississippi. A flood watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central, Baldwin Coastal, Baldwin Inland, Mobile Central, Mobile Coastal, and Mobile Inland, and in Mississippi. George, tornado watch number 1 has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi, Alabama, Perdido Bay Area, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Tornado watch number 101 remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. The coastal flood advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central, and Mobile Central. Wind advisory has been extended until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following areas: in Mississippi, northern Jackson, and southern Jackson. Wind advisory has been extended until 1 a.m. Central Daylight for the following areas in Alabama: Baldwin Central, Baldwin Coastal, Baldwin Inland, Mobile Central, Mobile Coastal and Mobile Inland, and in Mississippi. George, a flood advisory has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: George, Mississippi. Current risk has been extended until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following areas: Alabama, Baldwin Coastal and Mobile Coastal. This is NOAA Radio from the Mobile, Pensacola National Weather Service. The current time is 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, Jordan County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, Stone County in southeastern Mississippi, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Storms producing heavy rain across one area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen, with localized totals over 5 inches. Additional showers and storms will continue to produce locally heavy rainfall over the next 1 to 3 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Pritchard, Tillman's Corner, Saraland, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Grand Bay, Wiggins, Citronelle, Bluesdale, Crayola, Chantula, Pergusta, McHenry, Gulfstream, Mount Vernon, and McLean. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Mobile, Alabama, and the following counties: Mississippi, George, Greene, Perry, and Stone. National Weather Service in New Orleans. Southwestern Jackson County in northern Mississippi until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. At 11:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported water over roads in portions of the Liberty. Additional heavy rainfall is expected with more flash flooding likely. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gulfport, Biloxi, Ocean Springs, St. Martin, Iberville, Latimer, Gulffield, and Gulf Park Estates. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Mississippi. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near I-65 and Alabama 150 to near I-65 to 6 miles east of Theodore to 4 miles southwest of Hodem, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated.